Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on your TikTok. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log into your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on this upload button which is on the top right corner of your screen. Just click it. Now, you'll be directed to the TikTok studio and you'll just have to select the video to upload from here. Click this button. Just choose the file and your video will be uploaded. That's how you can upload a video on your TikTok. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.